In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Pinterest account public. Step 1, you just have to launch your Pinterest application. Step 2, you have to go to that gear icon, tap that gear icon, and then scroll down. Step 3, you have to look for profile visibility. Tap this one. And then step 4, all you have to do is to just remain this off. See, if I'm going to toggle this one on or turn this one on, that means I set my profile into private. So when your profile is private, that means people cannot see whatever your activity here on your Pinterest. So if you want to set it again to public, go to settings, profile visibility, and turn this one off. So if I turn off private profile, it also turns off search privacy. As easy as that. And as you can see here, there is no lock icon. That means your profile is set to public. If your profile is set to private, then you can see a lock icon here beside your name. As easy as that. So once your account is public, then people can visit, can download, can save whatever your pictures, images, pins, boards here on your Pinterest profile. So that's how easy it is. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.